I believe the so-called SFV virus is not truly a virus at all, but rather a highly complex living pathogen or engineered biological system that only mimics certain viral characteristics. The evidence, in my view, points toward a pathogen that spreads primarily through bites because it requires direct introduction into the body, suggesting that it injects living biological material rather than relying on simple airborne transmission. Once inside a host, it does not immediately destroy or replace human tissues. Instead, it establishes itself locally and begins a gradual process of integration, using enzymes, signaling molecules, hormones, neurotransmitter manipulation, and possibly protein-based information systems to alter the behavior of existing cells. Rather than rewriting the entire genome, it influences how cells express genes and interact with one another, effectively persuading the body to rebuild itself according to a new biological blueprint. The immune system becomes one of its primary targets not through outright destruction, but through deception and manipulation. Just as some cancers evade immune detection, this pathogen may convince immune cells that its modified tissues are legitimate parts of the body, potentially even recruiting immune responses to assist the transformation. This creates a biological conflict in which portions of the host's own organism begin serving the pathogen's objectives. The transformation is therefore neither a death nor a replacement, but a form of asexual reproduction occurring within a living human body, resulting in a hybrid organism composed of both original human tissues and pathogen-derived modifications. The nervous system is altered but selectively preserved, allowing intelligence, memory, coordination, and problem-solving abilities to remain functional because these traits are useful to the pathogen. I believe the gut, endocrine system, immune system, and brain are especially important targets because controlling them grants influence over metabolism, behavior, development, and social interaction. The final partygoer is therefore not a puppet controlled every second by biology alone. Rather, the pathogen establishes new instincts, motivations, and perceptions, while partygoer groups reinforce behaviors through social learning, cooperation, imitation, and collective culture. This explains why partygoers appear organized and intelligent rather than mindless. Their behavior emerges from both biological modification and social influence. The apparent absence of aging may result from continuous tissue maintenance and regeneration rather than literal immortality. Because the pathogen integrates so deeply with the host, preventing transformation could be extraordinarily difficult, potentially resembling the challenge of treating cancer, since attacking the pathogen might also mean attacking tissues that have become intertwined with the host's own biology. Any chance of stopping the process might depend on how rapidly the pathogen spreads from the original bite site before systemic integration occurs. Ultimately, I view SFV by pathogen as a parasitic synthetic bioagent.